Hi students, good morning. So before class I explained introduction part completed. So now also introduction part 10 minutes is there. Before class I explained Dover and traits, Newland active concept completed. And at present around 180 elements are known. After atomic number above 92 elements are called radioactive elements or transuranic elements completed. Next another one is Newland active concept. Newland active concept. The elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic weights. First element is repeated with eighth element like octave in music. This rule is applicable to up to atomic number 20 elements. Okay, another one is Lothar Meyer. Lothar Meyer atomic volume graph. Atomic volume curves. In this case, generally, Lothar Meyer calculated the atomic volume of known elements as the ratio of atomic molecular weight and density. Simply, our atomic weight equal to atomic volume into density. Okay? Lothar Meyer calculated the atomic volume of known elements as the ratio of molecular weight and density. Simply, atomic weight or molecular weight equal to atomic volume into density. And another one is, so the elements having similar properties are in the similar position of the curve. For example, alkali metals are in the peak of the curve. The position of alkali metals are in the peak of the curve. Alkaline earth metals are in the descending part of the curve. Alkaline earth metals descending part of the curve. And halogens are in at the ascending part of the curve. Transition elements lying of the broad minimas of the curve. The elements generally, the atomic volume increases in a group, that is, the elements having similar properties. So these are Lothar Meyer some important points. Lothar Meyer calculated the atomic volume of known elements as the ratio of molecular weight and density. Simply, atomic weight equal to atomic volume into density. So write down Lothar Meyer calculated the atomic volume of. My dear student, only this is introduction. You make IP council just Lothar Meyer calculated the atomic volume of known elements as the ratio of molecular weight and density. Simply, the atomic weight equal to atomic volume into density. Molecular weight equal to atomic weight equal to atomic volume into density. Write down. Next one is elements with similar properties are in the elements with similar properties are in the similar position in the curve. Next one is so elements with similar properties are in the similar position in the curve. Next one is the finding of atomic volume of curves are. The finding of atomic volume of curves are. First one is alkyl metals are in the position of peak of the curve. Alkyl metals are in the position of peak of the curve. And the second one is alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals are in the position of part of the curve. So alkaline earth metals are in the position of descending position of part of the curve. And another one is halogens. Halogens are in the position of ascending halogens are in the descending position. These are ascending position. Part of the curve. Next to transition elements. Elements are in the position of lying broad minima of the curve. So these are some points in Lothar-Meyer curves. And another Atomic volume increases. Generally, atomic volume increases in a group that is in the change the properties of elements also. Change the properties of elements also. Write down. Atomic volume increases in a group that is the elements exhibit similar properties. Atomic volume increases in a group that is the elements exhibit similar properties. Many other physical properties changes with periodic manner like refractive index, physical melting point, boiling point, density, etc. changes. So write down that point. Many other physical properties of elements. So many other physical properties of elements also change in periodic manner like melting point, boiling point, density. Melting point to boiling point to density. And thermal melting point to density, melting point, boiling point, thermal expansion coefficient. Okay, so these are simply Lothar-Meyer curves. By using Lothar-Meyer curves at the top, so peak of the curve occupy the alkali metals. And then descending point. So the part of this descending position alkali earth metals, the part of ascending position halogens and the transition elements minimum of the curve. So broad minimums of the curves, right? Simply write down graph. Simply atomic volume Your density your lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, like that. Write down graph. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, like that. Lithium, magnesium, simple graph. Write down. It's very important. They won't ask an IP point of view, just how can you improve the subject. Next, Mendeleev period table. Mendeleev period table. First period table was constructed by Mendeleev. First period table was constructed by Mendeleev. Mendeleev period table statement: the physical and chemical properties of the elements and the periodic function of their atomic weight. Simply, Mendeleev period table depends on the atomic weight. The physical and chemical properties of the elements and the periodic function of their atomic weight. Generally, in the period table, horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are called groups. Mendeleev period table contains generally 0 to 8 groups, totally 9 groups, 7 periods. First 3 periods are called short periods. Remaining periods are called long periods. So in Mendeleev period table, total 9 groups, 0 to 8 groups, total 9 groups. Except 0 and 8 groups, remain groups containing 2 subgroups, A and B subgroups. Okay. At another point is, in Mendeleev period table, the elements with similar properties. Example: iron, cobalt, nickel, and potassium, rubidium, cesium also. Mendeleev corrected the atomic weights of some elements: beryllium, indium, osmium, by using this formula. Atomic weight equal to equivalent weight into valency. In Mendeleev period table, they don't know information about, they don't know information of noble gases. After that, discovered by Ramsay and Rayleigh. So these are noble gases. And in Mendeleev period table, some gaps is there. The gaps of the Mendeleev period table, some gaps is there. These are known as Yaka elements. Yaka boron, scandium, Yaka aluminum, gallium, Yaka silicon, germanium. Gaps are elements. So these are in Mendeleev period table. In Mendeleev period table, 8th group containing 3 transition triads. What are? First one is iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, So ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium, iridium and platinum. Osmium, iridium and platinum. Mandalic period table 8th group containing 3 transition triads: iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium and osmium, iridium and platinum. So these are all in Mandalic period table. Okay. So and these are all max. They don't know correct information of noble gases. Later it discovered by Ramsay and Rayleigh. So these are Mendeleev period. Mendeleev calculated the atomic weights of beryllium, indium and osmium. By using this formula, atomic weight equal to equivalent weight into valency. These are important points. So these are Mendeleev period table. So in Mendeleev period table, the position of hydrogen was made not clear. The position of lanthanides uncertain. So next, the position of lanthanides uncertain. And another one is zero group elements. They don't know zero group elements at the time of the Mendeleev period table time. Okay, so these are position of lanthanides also. No correct information of lanthanide. Okay, so these are merits and demerits of Mendeleev period table. So Mendeleev period table statement: the physical and chemical properties of the elements and the periodic function of their atomic weights. Simply, Mendeleev period table depends on the atomic weight. Horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are called groups. Mendeleev period table containing 7 periods and 9 groups. In 9 groups, except 0 and 8th group, remaining groups containing A and B subgroups. First 3 periods are called short periods, remaining periods are called long periods. Okay, so these are in Mendeleev period table some important points. Mendeleev period statement: the physical and chemical properties of the elements and the periodic function of their atomic weight Simply, Mendeleev period table depends on the atomic weight. Horizontal rows are called periods, and vertical columns are called groups. This period table contain 9 groups. That means 0 to 8, including 0 also, and 7 periods. 9 groups, 0 to 8. So 0 also consider. First 3 periods are called. First three periods are called short periods. Remaining periods are called long periods. Leaving 0 and 8th group. 0 and 8th group. Remaining groups contain A and B subgroups. A and B subgroups. Remaining groups contain A and B subgroups. First 3 periods are called short periods. Remaining periods are called long periods. Leaving 0 and 8th group, remaining groups contain A and B subgroups. A and B subgroups. So these are information of long night. So in the information of Mendel period table. Next point, the elements with similar properties. The elements with similar properties. Example: iron, cobalt, nickel, and another one is potassium, rubidium, and cesium. They don't know about noble gases. At the Mendeleev period table time, at the Mendeleev period table time, they don't know about that noble gases. Later discovered by Ramsay and Raleigh. Scientists. Ramsay and Raleigh discovered the noble gases. At the Mendeleev period table time, they don't know about that noble gases. Next, in Mendeleev period table, 8th group contains 3 transition traits. In Mendeleev's period table, so the Mendeleev period table period table 8th group contain how many? 3 transition sites, 3 transition traits. Trait means similar properties in a group. First, iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium, iridium, and platinum. So the Mendeleev period table 8th group contain 3 transition traits. 3 transition traits. First one is iron, cobalt, nickel. Second one is ruthenium, rhodium, palladium. Third one is osmium, iridium, and platinum. The Mendeleev period table 8th group contains 3 transition traits: iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium, iridium, platinum. Transition trait. Trait means similarities of in a group. Trait means trait is a certain properties of certain group of 3 elements. 3 properties same. Next, Mendeleev calculated the atomic weight of 3 elements are given. Mendeleev calculated the atomic weight of beryllium, indium, and osmium by using one formula: atomic weight equal to equivalent weight into valency. Mendeleev corrected the atomic weights of beryllium, indium, and osmium. Beryllium, indium and osmium. Right, beryllium, indium and osmium. By using this formula, by using the following equation, by using this formula, its formula, atomic weight equal to equivalent weight into valency. A simple formula. Atomic weight equal to equivalent weight into valency. So these are another formula. So these are merits. He discovered the all properties, physical and chemical properties of the elements. Physical and chemical properties of elements successfully explained. But it and demerits before Mendeleev observed the inverted atomic weights are anomalous pairs. Mendeleev observed the anomalous pairs or inverted atomic pairs. What are? First one is argon potassium, second cobalt nickel, third tellurium and iodine, fourth thorium and protactinium. Once observed argon potassium, 39, argon 40, cobalt nickel 56, these are 59. Actually first argon, next potassium, lower higher, but here higher lower, cobalt first, nickel next. Actual configuration, atomic number 28, 27, 28. But here 59, these are 56. These are inverted atomic weight pairs. Okay, so these are Mendeleev observed the anomalous pairs or inverted atomic pairs of some elements. Okay, so these are Mendeleev period table. So these are information and demerits. Mendeleev period table demerits. Demerits. Position of hydrogen was not made clear. Position of lanthanides uncertain. No place for noble gases. And another one is absence of similarity in subgroups. For example, alkali metals placed along with coinage metals in the same group. Alkaline earth metals placed along with volatile metals in the same group. That is a demerits. First point is position of lanthanides. Position of lanthanides was not made clear. Second, position of lanthanide is uncertain. Position of hydrogen was not made clear. No place for noble gases or inert gases. Write down the points. Next one is absence of similarity in subgroups. Absence of similarity in subgroups. For example 1. Alkali metals are placed in same group along with coinage metals. Coinage metals means copper, silver and gold. Copper, silver, gold coinage metals are placed along with alkali metals in the same group. Alkali metals are placed in the same group along with coinage metals. And the second one is alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals are placed in same group along with volatile metals. Volatile metal means zinco, cadmium and mercury. So these are main important points in Mendeleev period table. In Mendeleev period table, horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are called groups. Groups containing 9 groups, 0 to 8. So 0 also consider. They don't know information about that noble gases. First 3 periods are called short periods, remaining periods are called long periods. So except 0 and 9 group, remaining groups divided into A and B subgroups. And another one important point I missed you, sorry. In Mendeleev period table, important point, sorry, my dear students, write down in middle, possible. In Mendeleev period table, some gaps is there. The elements are known as Yaka elements, sorry, that points I forget. Important points. Now what I am explaining point, that point right in middle. In Mendeleev period table, some gaps is there. In Mendeleev period table, some gaps is there. The gaps are known as Yaka elements. In Mendeleev's period table, some gaps are known as Yaka elements. Yaka boron, scandium, Yaka aluminum, gallium, Yaka silicon, germanium. Sorry. So Yaka boron called as scandium. Yaka aluminium called as gallium. silicon called as Yaka boron, scandium, Yaka aluminum, gallium, Yaka silicon, germanium. Yaka boron, scandium, Yaka aluminum, gallium, Yaka silicon, germanium. So these are Yaka elements. In Mendeleev periodic table, some gaps are known as Yaka elements. Yaka boron, scandium, Yaka aluminum, gallium, Yaka silicon, germanium. So these are Mendeleev periodic table. So these are our Mendeleev periodic table. First periodic table was constructed by Mendeleev. Next another one is added before in atomic structure lesson I finished. Atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number is denoted by symbol Z. It was first proposed by Moseley by using frequency of characteristics of X-rays of an element. Moseley proposed the equation by using X-rays of frequency of characteristics of X-rays of an element. Simply Moseley equation. Moseley equation simply root of nu equal to A into Z minus B. That is a Moseley equation. Simply, so these are root of nu. So these are Z, this type of. Here slope equal to A. That is a atomic number Z. Previous I explained. This concept man atomic structure lo man cheppeskunnam kabatti ikkada manaku anta avasaram ledhu. So Moseley proposed the atomic number by using frequency of characteristics of X-rays of an element. Frequency of characteristics of X-ray of an element. By using simply Moseley formula. Moseley equation root of nu equal to A into Z minus B. Here A and B are constants. Z equal to atomic number, nu means frequency. Moseley equation simply root of nu equal to A into Z minus B. Slope equal to A. Z means atomic number. Nu means frequency. Previous already explained. In atomic number concept, in atomic structure I explained. Now here just write the information enough. No need of more information. Write down equation. Next, modern period table. Modern period table or long form of the period table. Long form of the period table. Modern period table or long form of the period table. So now till we are following this table. The physical and chemical properties of the elements periodic function of their electronic configuration or atomic numbers. The physical and chemical properties of the elements and the periodic function of their atomic numbers or electronic configurations. These are modern period table and the name is long form of the period table. Long form of the period table was constructed by Niels Bohr. Long form of the period table was constructed by Niels Bohr. So long form of the period table containing 7 periods and 18 groups. Horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are called groups. So 7 periods and 18 groups. Every period starts with alkali metal, end with noble gases. Every period starts with alkali metals and end with noble gases. So generally first period and 18 groups. So these are 18 groups is there. And another one is every period start with alkali metal end with noble gases. First period contain only 2 elements, second period 8 elements, third period 8 elements, fourth and fifth period contain 18 and 18, sixth period 32 elements, seventh period incomplete period. So among these all periods, incomplete period is 7th period, long period is 6th period, incomplete period is 6th period, incomplete period is 7th period, and the short period, first period contain how many elements? Only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. First period contain only 2 elements, and only these 2 elements are existing in gaseous state. Which period contain only gaseous elements? First period. How many elements? 2 elements. So these are simple, some important points in modern period table. Anyway, modern period table depends on the electron configuration or atomic numbers. Long form of the period table or modern period table both are same. Long form of the period table was constructed by Niels Bohr. Statement: the physical and chemical properties of the elements and the periodic function of the electron configuration or atomic numbers. Long form of the period table contains 7 periods and 18 groups. Each period start with alkali metal end with noble gases. Okay. First period contain 2 elements, it is a short period. Second and third period contain 8 elements. Third period and fourth period contain 18 elements. First period contain 2 elements. Second and third period contain 8 elements. Fourth and fifth period contain 18 elements. Sixth period contain 32 elements. Sixth period is a long period. Seventh period is a incomplete period. That is a long form of the period table. Okay, my dear students. Okay, up to today enough. So this point. So tomorrow I will give more information about that modern period table. So modern period table, 7 periods, 18 groups. Okay, my dear students. Today enough. Remaining points tomorrow I will explain. These are period table lesson, very easy. Okay, only theory. Problems maybe 5 or 6 problems is there. Maximum 10 problems. Maximum. These are not problematic lesson. Only theory, inorganic chemistry. Only remembering all points. What I am explaining points. So for IP point of view, you concentrate on modern period table. మీరు మోడర్న్ పీరియడ్ టేబుల్ నుంచి బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి కంపల్సరీ ఐపీలో. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ అయితే మెంటల్ కూడా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. మెయిన్ ఫ్రమ్ మోడర్న్ పీరియడ్ టేబుల్ రిక్వైర్డ్. Okay, my dear students, thank you for all.